Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account on XIN Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in xin.com.au/mortgage and press enter. You will now be taken into the mortgage page for XIN Financial. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address or your phone number, whichever you used while signing up for your account, within the email/mobile box. You can then enter your password underneath within the password section and now click on the I agree to the terms and conditions checkbox and finally click on the login button. You will then be logged in to your XIN mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on XIN Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.